needs moved as that is blocking some cars. We thank you.
Okay, international fans, are you still here? You didn't switch over to John Deere, did you?
Oh.
Well, we got John Deere number 1, international number 2, and another good run at international coming up here next. Randy Bricker.
No, he does not own Bricker's French fries. That's different.
Yes.
He only kind of runs this thing out here. Seems about half the poles and making some good passes with it. Not really in the top 5. I'm kind of looking over the history of what this year has looked like so far.
I'm lazy. It's okay. We think it's cute. It's like, it's okay. It's okay. It's cute.
Should have had another weight or 2 up front, I believe. Yeah. You know. Okay, bringing up the RPM, looking for black smoke. Getting all those turbochargers spinning. Building boost.
Oh yeah, get your cameras ready. You're going to see a blur next if everything's working. Final decision.
4 turbochargers. Henry Everman. Good run. I got to the mark to beat.
I'm in a minute.
299 feet 9 inches. That's the best I've seen that tractor run in. Yeah, pretty much in the last several years.
Well, I was talking to him beforehand. They said, you know, I said, what's the best feeling about pulling? He says, when you get to the end and you realize it didn't blow up. So that's pretty good. Robert Sadoff Jr. ends up in pulling 272 and 2, 272 and 2. Right now, sitting in second place at 279 2.
It's 299 and 9.
Oh, 299 and 9.
Yeah.
You're right. Yep, I'll put the 9 across there.
Okay, John Deere fans, what do you think? Looking for black smoke. Josh Martin, Big 3. Oh, did you? You know why he shut that down? Maybe this is a rule that we forgot to mention to you first timers. That white line, that chalk line out there, damn fields down there is, he says to drive from one end to the other of all the land he has, it's over 60 miles. So he really ticks off a lot of DC traffic. Does he hook a combine to this to go farm to farm over down
You can
there?
probably hook whatever you want to do. Watch this run. Watch the wheel speed on the alcohol burning New Holland.
Front end, you could hear the RPMs pick up every time the front end got real high in the air, but it was losing traction.
Boy, I know he's kind of kicking himself yeah?
Up there right about that 200-foot mark.
That's what he said he got every time.
He will be the third generation on that machine right there.
You know, that tractor's been around
Grandfather, that's the guy.
since the early 70s. Wow.
Yeah, I wonder what if it told here at the Buck's first year, which would have been 1974.
Yes.
So that tractor's been running here every single year the Buck's been open.
Yeah. Unbelievable.
And has 3 generations of farmers at the wheel. 194 feet 4 inches, 194 and 4. Yeah, just
That he's using on this tractor.
There's just no way that 4 naturally aspirated engines
this is the McKenzie family. The grandfather, we have his son, which we're pulling a little later on, and his grandson.
Boy, just up there right past that 200-foot mark, Tim Robinson. Don't be surprised next year if you see that tractor. It has 3 supercharged Chevrolets on it. The distance for Tim Robinson, 209